Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to make curry shrimp. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready to go. Then, we'll prepare the shrimp, making sure they are perfectly cleaned. Next, we'll sauté the aromatics to create a fragrant and delicious base for our curry. Finally, we'll simmer the sauce to a rich, creamy consistency, ready for the star ingredient. Let's get cooking. For this delightful curry, you'll need 1 pound of large, fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined. We'll also use about 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder to give it that signature flavor. Don't forget 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, which is approximately 13.5 ounces, for a wonderfully creamy base. And for our aromatics, we'll finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. These ingredients are key to a fantastic dish. Now let's build that incredible flavor. First, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add the finely chopped onion, garlic, and ginger, sautéing them until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, stir in the 2 tablespoons of curry powder, cooking for just 1 minute to toast the spices. Finally, pour in the 13.5 ounces of coconut milk and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, letting those flavors meld beautifully. We're almost there. Carefully add the peeled and deveined shrimp to your simmering curry sauce. Cook the shrimp for only 2 to 3 minutes. They cook very quickly and will turn pink and opaque when done. Overcooking will make them tough, so watch them closely. To finish, stir in about a half cup of fresh, chopped cilantro and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Serve your delicious curry shrimp immediately with fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.